We talked about project management, suppose, but if the projects are not managed properly, project management practices are not used. Good practices, as we discussed yesterday session or the previous session one we discussed. So the project management practices are absent. Poorly managed projects, they result into, we all know, and broadly I can express those, what we miss through this or what we are not able to achieve when the projects are poorly managed. We are missing deadlines, schedule is not complied, overruns, probably investor may not invest. They says your cost is going very high, I cannot support you more. Cost overrun. So risk of the cost overrun is you don't get the money more from the investors. Poor quality. Quality management practices, quality management program was not there or not implemented. So the product, what you are expecting, is of not the same quality. Rework. Keep doing the things are not done. Left hand doesn't know what right hand is doing, right hand doesn't know what left hand is doing. And because when they want to together collaborate, they found that both of their works are at 180 degree opposite to each other. So it's leading to rework of at least one of them. Uncontrolled expansion of the project. If you are not having the project management, right project management practices, you will keep changing your objectives, you will keep changing your strategies. The project becomes uncontrolled. One stakeholder is telling one thing, second stakeholder is telling second thing, and you keep accommodating the things, and the project will not have a definite completion. Loss of reputation for the organization, that is the most important thing. And for this, I will simply give one example. And you can find in the industry also this. If you pass by somewhere the industrial zones, or if you pass by some big downtown area where a couple of commercial complexes are there, you will find that one of the commercial complex is made ready in just a period of time, 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. And the next building to it is there, not yet construction completed, and maybe the period of 10 years. Tower cranes are there, half structure is there, okay, still construction is ongoing. So it's a very obvious question when you are passing by that street, you are going to ask this question to yourself, that what is this building, which project it belongs to, which company it belongs to. So it leads to loss of reputation for the organization. Unsatisfied stakeholders. Yes, that is very important. After reading all the bullets above, for sure, the customers, stakeholders will not be satisfied because they are not getting quality, they are not getting the price, they are not getting the in time. And the summary statement of all above: failure in achieving the objectives for which the project was initiated. Simple and straight. We have taken the project, yesterday we discussed this point. We have taken the project to fulfill our objective, is our driver. So we failed to meet our objectives. In today's business environment, organizational leaders need to be able to manage with tighter budget, shorter timelines, scarcity of resources, and rapidly changing technology. This is the problem statement of today's industry. Project managers, organizational leaders are hard pressed because there is a competitive era. So budgets are less. You have to produce the same thing at much cheaper price, meeting the quality, meeting the technology changes. Resources are limited. Timelines are limited. The business environment is dynamic with an accelerating rate of change. Yes, we all know this. There is an acceleration. Industrial growths, manufacturing percentages in all the GDPs across the globe, they are increasing day by day. So entrepreneurship is increasing. That is leading to an accelerated business environment. To remain competitive in the world economy, companies are embracing project management to consistently deliver business values. To remain competitive in world economy, see the big word. Because in the global era, global supply chain management in place, the goods are manufactured in one country for another country. So in this era, the good project management practices make sure that things are built in time, things are built as per plan, services are provided as planned, correct? And ultimately, all this is required to achieve the objective and business values.